Hello friends, welcome to my channel Crypto Knowledge. So if you are new in my channel and if you are a fresh on about cryptocurrency, if you have no idea about cryptocurrency, and if you want to know, if you want to earn some knowledge about cryptocurrency, and if you want to trade in cryptocurrency, if you want to earn money from cryptocurrency, then this YouTube channel is for you. Because in my channel I always try to upload cryptocurrency related videos, and I always try to explain the important things, explain the important knowledge about cryptocurrency and how you can start a crypto business, how you can earn money from cryptocurrency, how you can actually invest your money in cryptocurrency. I do provide that kind of stuff on my channel. So if you are new in my channel, so please consider a subscription on my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that when I will upload new video about cryptocurrency, you will get the notifications instantly. Okay, so without any further delay, let's come to the today's topic of the video. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Coinmarketcap. Okay, in my previous video I told you what is actually Coinmarketcap. So if you didn't see my previous video, I will put the link on my description so you can see the previous video there. Okay, so in my previous video I talked about Coinmarketcap. What is Coinmarketcap web application, how does it work, okay, and what is the importance of Coinmarketcap web application if you are a fresher, if you are new in cryptocurrency field. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to I'm going to show you how actually you can create a account and in Coinmarketcap, and why actually you need an account in Coinmarketcap. So let me bring you in my computer screen. So let me open my browser. Okay, so I'm going to Coinmarketcap. So in today's video I told you I will show you how you can create an account in this website. So for creating an account, this is very easy to do task. You just simply have to go sign up option. Okay, you have to go to the website and then you have to go sign up option. You just simply have to press the sign up option, and then in here you have to put your email address. Okay, so I'm going to put my email address, which is and I'm going to choose a password for my account. Okay, and refer ID, this is actually optional. If someone refer you the website, then you can put the refer ID there. Okay, this is, you can ignore it, no problem. Get a daily dose of Coinmarketcap right to your inbox. I think you should mark this option, because if you mark this option, that means Coinmarketcap will email you every important update regarding cryptocurrency. Okay, so if you are badly interested in cryptocurrency, I think you should keep mark it on, so you will get all the updated news instantly on your inbox, on your email inbox. Okay, so after doing this, you just simply have to press create an account. Okay, so then you have to, as usual, solve this captcha. They're asking for plum trees. Okay, I'm going to select plum trees, and then okay, we have sent you an activation email. So the saying they send me activation, activation email. Okay, so I have to check the activation email. So I'm going to my Gmail. Okay, this is very easy to do. Okay, but still I'm going to show you, because there are lots of people, those who don't have any idea about that kind of stuff. They are not technology guys, so I'm actually creating my videos for them, those who don't have any idea about that kind of stuff. Okay, so after you visit your email, you will find a confirmation email from Coinmarketcap. You have to wait for this. I think I doesn't get the confirmation email yet. I think I put my wrong email. Let me check it again. Let me copy my email, then go again. Oh, there was a funny and silly spelling mistake on my email. Okay, so let me do this again. Actually, there was a silly spelling mistake. So I'm going to, this is not actually CRIP, this is CRYP. Okay, so I'm just replacing my email. Okay, and then I'm doing this again. That was really silly. Okay, just ignore it. That was really fun. That was a silly spelling mistake. And now I think I got the, yeah, I already get the confirmation. I already get the confirmation email. Okay, so after that I have to go my email, and then I just have to click here to verify account. Okay, so I'm going to click here for verified account, and then you can see my account is already verified. Okay, I just create the account, and the import after creating my account in Coinmarketcap, the next very important part is watchlist. Okay, so I'll explain what watchlist actually is. So, you know, we are here because we are very new in cryptocurrency. We don't know anything about cryptocurrency. We are just fresher. We just start our journey in cryptocurrency. We just want to invest our money in cryptocurrency, and we want to earn some money from by investing money on cryptocurrencies. Okay, so that's why we are here. That's why I hope you are watching my video. So we are new. We are not expert. We are new people, and I'm trying. My motivation of my video is for fresher people, those who don't have any idea about cryptocurrencies. Okay, so after we create the market cap account, we have to add our cryptocurrency on our watch list. Okay, what is that? That means, you know, there are lots of cryptocurrencies available in the planet right now. So you are not gonna interested in all the cryptocurrencies. You have to choose some particular cryptocurrencies, like 5 or 10 or 20 cryptocurrencies, and you have to keep your eyes on this cryptocurrency only, so that you can see how much price they are up and down, what is the market value, what is the market cap, what is the current situation of this particular cryptocurrency right now. So when you will add your cryptocurrency, your favorite, or your cryptocurrency, the news about cryptocurrency you want, so when you will add this cryptocurrency on your watch list, so that you will get instant information, you will get instant notification on your email, on your watch list, about all the necessary information of this particular cryptocurrency. Okay, so for this I'm going to select Bitcoin because I want to know all the updated information about Bitcoin. I'm also selecting Ethereum, and then I'm going to select Tether, and then I'm going to select this doggy coin. I think I have to find a coin which called cat coin. I'm not sure is there any cryptocurrency available in the market which called cat coin, but I'm curious about it. So in future we'll try to dig this about cat coin. Or if there is no cat coin available, we may create our own cryptocurrency. Okay, I will also explain you how you can create your own cryptocurrency in future. So if you don't subscribe my channel yet, I request you for subscribe my channel, because we are going to do a lot of fun. Okay, we are going to do a lot of fun. We are going to learn a lot of things about cryptocurrency, and which I believe will help you in your future cryptocurrency journey. So we already selected Litecoin. This is a very, you know, okay, so we select those coins, and then we select 5 coins. Okay, so here you can see in my watch list those coins are added. Okay, so that means when I will visit this website and when I will press watch list, that time I will find all the information about those particular cryptocurrencies only. Okay, so like I want to know about Tether, so if I press Tether, here I will find all the necessary information about Tether. Okay, so the current price of 1 Tether is 1 USD right now, and okay, so this is actually the basic things of the Coinmarketcap web application. And there are a lot of stuff, lot of tools. okay, available on this website, and I will explain you one by one everything, so that you can understand everything very easily, and this knowledge will help you in future in your investment, and I hope and I believe it will help you in your investment, because we are not going to talk some heavy stuff, heavy finance talking. No, we are just, in my case, I will try to explain you those little stuff very easy way. Okay, this is nothing, this is very simple things. If you understand the things, then you will find it so easy. Okay, as I find it so easy, so that's why I'm actually creating those videos, and I'm trying to help you guys. And okay, so that was today's video, how you can create an account in Coinmarketcap and how it can help you for gather knowledge. Okay, so this is today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.